Let's walk through your first sales order and purchase order, end to end. We'll start with sales orders. Go to Sales, Orders, and then Add Sales Order. Select your customer, confirm the order warehouse, then add your products. You can adjust quantities, prices, and add notes here. When stock is available, Unleashed allocates it automatically. To ship your products, click on the Order drop-down and then Create Shipment. Confirm the details and quantities, and when you're ready to complete the shipment, click Dispatch. This reduces stock on hand immediately. To create an invoice, open the sales order and click on the Order drop-down button, and then Create Invoice. For deposits or stage billing, select Create Partial Invoice and specify the percentage or quantities to invoice. Review the payment terms and template, and when you're happy to proceed, complete the invoice. Quick tip: customize your quick actions and add view invoices to quickly access your invoices. Now, we'll work through purchase orders. Go to Purchases, Purchase Orders, and then Add Purchase. Choose your supplier, select Order Warehouse, and add products and quantities. To confirm the order, click Place. When goods arrive, open the purchase order. Confirm the quantities and other details are accurate. Then click Receipt and then Complete. If you incur freight or external costs, add them as supplier charges on the cost lines before you complete the purchase order to keep your average landed cost accurate. Email documents using your templates set up in Unleashed. On the purchase and sales order, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Email. Then fill in the details and click Send. To set these up, go to Company Settings and Email Templates. In the sales order, you have additional email options. Send the packing slip and export to 3PL. For a seamless process, set up automated emails to have Unleashed send these updates for you. Set these up under Settings, System, and Automated Notifications. And there you have it! You've created your first sales and purchase orders. From here, explore returns, credit notes, and reports to keep operations flowing. Thanks for watching.